All right, Dogecoin has just pumped 40 cents from last night. There was a massive dump in cryptos. Now, a lot of you guys are wondering, why have cryptos dumped? What is going on with cryptos? In this video, I'm going to explain to you every single detail. There's also some very big catalysts coming up in 2 days. There's going to be a huge event that's going to potentially skyrocket Doge, maybe to $1, maybe before $1, I don't know. But make sure you guys stay tuned for the whole video. I'm going to be giving a Doge giveaway this Saturday. There's a lot of very important information that you cannot miss, so stay tuned for the whole video because I'm going to be rolling out these bits of information throughout the video. Stay tuned. What's up guys, my name is Myles. I'm an expert in technical analysis, and every day I make videos on Dogecoin and I talk about other cryptocurrencies. So make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time-sensitive videos. In my videos I call out really big and profitable plays. Also, if you want to get my trade alerts when to buy and to sell Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies, join the Patreon. The link will be in the description. I offer these trade alerts. I offer portfolio management. I can teach you, and tell you what cryptos to buy and sell. Additionally, if you want to join the Discord, you have to join through the Patreon. Also, remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. All right, guys, I'm going to be giving away 300 Doge to a lucky winner on Saturday. In order to qualify, you must like the video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram, and comment in the video below. All right, so everyone is wondering, why did Bitcoin, why did Ethereum, why did every crypto basically almost, crash or correct last night? A lot of it had to do with liquidations. There was people taking profits. There was a lot of market manipulation. And in this chart right here, this is the Bitcoin liquidations. And it also goes for a lot of other cryptocurrencies. But remember, Bitcoin is the leader of cryptos. And if Bitcoin falls a lot, other cryptos will fall. Other people will sell and get scared because, they're watching Bitcoin. And whatever Bitcoin does, they try to, basically copy it. If it goes down, they try to sell. They try to time the market perfectly. But look, what we're seeing a chart here is this is liquidations. And right, this was yesterday, April 18th. There was $5 billion in liquidations. So basically what that means is people were trading on leverage, people were having long positions out, and people dumped the price to basically cause these liquidations. So $5 billion was brought out of the market, which caused a massive chain reaction in cryptocurrencies. A lot of times when cryptos get to a certain height and when people are less expecting it, there's people that come together like the F1 mining pools and they dump cryptos to cause liquidations, which causes a chain reaction so that they can buy in cryptos at a cheaper price so that they can make a lot of profit off of their manipulation. So just like with GameStop, people came together, they basically manipulated the market. This happens with cryptos as well. So this is something we must be careful of, aware of, and just know. Whenever we see our cryptos dump all the way down, does that mean to sell? No, it means to continue to hold on, because the moment you sell, we will get a big bounce and then you are losing hundreds or thousands or hundreds of thousands or how much you have invested. So make sure to continue to have diamond hands, especially when there's massive pumps. And those are the opportunities to buy cryptos. That's when you buy. That's not when you sell. You buy when there's big dumps because it always bounces. Just like a ball. When you drop it, it always bounces. Same thing with cryptos or stocks. Whenever there's a big drop, there's always a big bounce. So looking at the price action, last night we came all the way down. We came all the way down to 22 cents. And since the 22 cents, if you bought the dip, I call that a trade alert in the VIP. If you would have bought the dip, you'd be up 41 cents. But this morning we were pumping. Look, we came up, we dipped all the way again, and we came up about 40%, 37% to be exact. Congratulations on the people who bought that dip. But remember guys, I'm calling out in my VIP alerts when to buy, when to sell, and I say, guys, buy this dip. Whenever you see these big dips, buy it, because look, you would have made 40%. Even if you would have bought this little dip, let's see how much you would have made. 18%. If you would have bought the dip at 7:30 a.m., you would have made 18%. So guys, watch these really big dips so you can capitalize. But basically where we're headed, we are in an uptrend. We are headed up. We are going up. And there's some really big catalysts that are going to be taking place for Dogecoin. One of the major catalysts is Webull. They have reached out to me, but they were basically telling me they're going to be adding Dogecoin to their wallets. They're going to be adding Dogecoin so that people can buy and sell Dogecoin on Webull. So that means in order for them to be able to sell and have the opportunity for people to buy Dogecoin, they have to buy lots and lots and lots of Dogecoin so that they can give people the opportunity to buy and sell it and trade it. Also, we have the Robinhood wallets. That's going to be taking place soon. Robinhood is in talks with Dogecoin. They're in talks with getting their wallets. They are working on the wallets now. The Robinhood CEO, Vlad, he says that they're working on the wallets and they're trying to get it done as soon as possible. And as soon as that happens, that's going to bring Dogecoin up because they have to buy a lot of Dogecoin in order to support more Dogecoin. Yes, they have to continue to buy more Dogecoin. These whales who are, basically have Dogecoin on their platforms, they have to buy a lot of it so that people can buy it because they know that Dogecoin is going to $1. They see the potentiality of what Dogecoin is going to do. So they need to have the available funds because the other day we saw problems with Robinhood. They weren't able to allow people to buy it and to sell it because the system was overloaded, probably because they didn't have enough Doge to support the orders. So that's 2 wallets right there. Those 2 catalysts will bring Dogecoin to the moon. Those 2 catalysts are going to bring Dogecoin up so much. Additionally, we have another catalyst coming up on April 20th. It's going to be at 4:20 p.m. I think it's going to be at 4:20 a.m. too. 4:20 p.m. I think it's going to start at Eastern time, and then we're going to have Central or the the California time. I think in those particular times, there's going to be some really big pumps because people are buying Dogecoin right now. They're trying to get in at a cheap price. So I don't think we're going to see a lot of price fluctuation, but I think we're going to start seeing continued pumps before those dates. But just be careful because a lot of whales, they're going to know. A lot of whales are going to know that people are trying to band together to bring a certain price point up at that particular time. So they might dump Dogecoin on you. So just be careful. I wouldn't count on 420 as a major catalyst to buy right now as much as you possibly can. No, I would, if you were to buy, you would want to make a small speculative play, like 5% or 1% of your portfolio, something small. And if something pumps up big, you can still make a lot of profits. But if something doesn't pan out as you wanted, you wouldn't lose that much money. So just continue to hold with diamond hands. But be careful. Don't be putting all of your money into Dogecoin. Don't be putting massive amounts of percentages of your portfolio into Dogecoin. Be careful with these big dips because we are pretty high. Dogecoin is really high, but Dogecoin is holding up a lot stronger than people are anticipating or projecting. So we must also keep this in mind. But guys, there is a key level of resistance that we are having difficulty breaking. It is the 32-cent level. Look, we keep coming multiple times to try to break it, but we are not. But we do have a very strong level of support around 22 cents. This is the strongest level of support. Additionally, moving up, we have a higher level of support, 23 cents. Then our next level of support above that is 25 cents. But our current level of support, this is a very common level of support, is approximately right here, the 27-cent level. If you see the price go to 27 cents, it's going to be very likely, there's a very high probability that we will bounce off of it because we've already bounced off of it one time here, another time here. We broke it here 3 times. We broke it here 3 times. Another point here, another point here. So it's actually 28 cents. The 28-cent level is our current level of support. So I think this is a strong level of support so that if we were to come down and probably bounce off of it, we would most likely see a big bounce off of it. But we could also get rejected and go further. But the 28-cent level exactly on the head is our current level of support. So beware of that. So if you guys liked today's video, please smash the like button, subscribe, share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will continue to keep you guys updated.